In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stop Fortnite from freezing, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by trying out your settings. So click on the upper right corner, click on this settings button, and then click on settings. Now, the first thing you can do is make sure that VSync is off. The next option that you can use is to go onto your frame rate limit and figure out what your monitors are using. If your monitors are using 60 FPS, you may want to consider switching to 120 FPS so that it will work a little bit better. Now, the next thing that you can do is click on your keyboard Control-Shift-Escape. Now, when you do that, it should open up a little window like so. And you are going to right-click on Fortnite, click on Go to Details, and then right-click right here on Fortnite Client, Set Priority, and you can change it to High. Now, the final option you can do is actually in your device's settings. So if I search up settings, it should open up the app right here. And you're going to search up graphics, and graphics settings should show up. And if you want to choose an app to set the preference, you can click on Browse, look for Fortnite, and if it doesn't show up, you're just going to have to find it in your downloads. And once you actually find the Fortnite app, I'm just using clock as an example, you're going to click on Options and Power Saving. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.